whatever this is. Contact solution, right?
Yes.
Glue.
Contact solution, some glue,
You need
and some
glue,
baking.
and you need some baking soda. You need 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
You need like maybe 3/4.
What are so 3 of these?
No, so you want to use a little bit less than full.
Okay. But first we have to put this in.
You're gonna want to scoop it out. So just get that ready.
Hang on, I have to. Okay. Then just get it all out. Whoa! That looks cool, doesn't it, guys? Ugh. Get it out. I know, guys, that's a lot. Now, next thing we'll use is our food coloring. And now, like that much.
That's fine. Go ahead and just. No, that's fine. That's enough.
And now, hang on. Quiet. And now,
You're gonna want to use like 1 to 2,
pumps.
like tablespoons.
So this part you're gonna want to grown up.
So you're just gonna want to eyeball it like this.
Ooh, that's about good. Okay, now we put our dye. I chose green, but you can choose your own. 1 and 2. That should be good. Oh yeah. And now we get a spoon and we start mixing. Wow, it already looks kind of good. It's getting clumpy. But we gotta mix in that color. Adios. Bye. Wow, that green is going everywhere. Wow. Just mix, 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 mix. Mixy, mixy, mix, mix, mix. Hey guys, I wanted a little, so I went in with my hands. Look how good this turned out. It's like so well. Don't you guys just like it? It's so satisfying. Kinda, it's like full of stuff. How does it actually turn out? This is so satisfying to like squish and poke. Sounds like farting, but I have an idea. It's very good and very fun.
You want to show them the slime?
So it's like a very stretchy and breakable, and it's orange, and I just love it. Put some beads in. Doesn't it look so good? I have an orange one there, and looks like blue one there, and oh, a purple one, a green one matches my slime, and probably a lot more. This is so much fun. And if you forgot the ingredients, get 3/4 of baking soda, right? Like my dad said, get some of the
Contact solution.
Yep. And then you can get some glue. It doesn't have to be like slime glue. It can just be like Elmer's glue. But then you mix it for really like up to like 10 to 5 minutes. I don't know. I think it took like us 5 minutes to mix it, or like 3.
It's pretty quick.
Yeah, really quick, and it'll turn out really stretchy. ASMR. Oh, so good. Well, this is the jar we will be putting this into, but we can't just put it away now. We have to keep playing with it. I made it my first slime ever. My mom never lets us have slime, but now she finally let it us.
If it ends up in anyone's hair, clothes, or my carpet, it'll be banned for the rest of your life. Even from your house.
Bye. No. Now, it's time for the real reveal with Carolinas. So, let's go check it out. It's a fact. That's how you make slime. That farts. Well, bye guys. Bye guys. See ya. Bye.